Yes, good afternoon, friends. Today we are discussing about SBI Clerk Prelims SCP-220417 paper. Okay, so in this, our first question is So in this paper, our first question is related to inequalities topic. Okay, related to inequalities. So here we are having one statement, and for the statement they are giving two conclusions. Okay, for the given statement they are giving two conclusions are there. Okay, so here we are having some basics related to inequalities. That is, in case if you are having similar symbols, that means similar symbol means in case if you are having greater than or is equal to are there in between any two terms, simply we have to take common symbol. Okay, we are getting common symbol is the relation between those two terms. Okay, so in case if you are having two similar symbols in this way, okay, less than or is equal to in this way, so we have to take common symbol, that is less than. Okay, so sometimes we are having comparison with related to is equal symbol. That means in case if greater than is compared with is equal symbol, that means in between two terms we are having these two symbols. Okay, in case if you are having symbols in this way, simply compare greater than with is equal. That means in case if any symbol compared with is equal symbol, simply we have to take other than is equal symbol is the answer, that is greater than sometimes. Okay, so here answer is greater than. In case if greater than or is equal compared with is equal symbol, simply we have to take other than is equal symbol, that is greater than or is equal. Okay, so these are basic concepts related to inequalities. Okay, so coming to our question. So in our question they are giving one statement and they are giving two conclusions, so just take first conclusion. So here what is your first conclusion? H greater than O. Okay, H greater than O. So here we are having H and O relation is greater than, so we have to find out the given relationship is satisfied for the given statement or not. Okay, so they are giving H and O relation is greater than, we have to find out that relation is right or wrong. So just observe here, so in between H and O, we are having two symbols, greater than or is equal and is equal. So in case if you are comparing any symbol with is equal symbol, simply we have to take other than is equal symbol, that means our answer is greater than or is equal. So here we are getting answer, that means relation between H and O is greater than or is equal, but they are giving only greater than. But here we are having equal chances for greater than and is equal symbol. Okay, so that means the relation between H and O is greater than or is equal, but they are giving only greater than, that means that is definitely wrong. Okay, next coming to second conclusion, L and H relation, they are giving less than relation. Okay, so in between L and H, so here we are having L. Okay, so here we are having H and here we are having L, so we need to find out the relationship between H and L. Okay, so here in second conclusion we are having first term is L, second term is H, but in our statement we are having first term is H, second term is L. No problem, first simply find out the relation between H and L. Okay, then we are getting one answer, simply reverse that answer. Okay, simply reverse that answer. So here in between H and L we are having so many symbols are there, so but just observe your symbols in between H and L. So we are having greater than or is equal, greater than or is equal, and less than. That means we are not having similar type of symbols. Okay, we are having opposite symbols are there in between H and L. In case if you are getting opposite symbols in this way or in this way, so in case any type of opposite symbols are there present in between any two terms, definitely there is no relation between those two terms. Okay, so here they are giving L less than H, but here we are getting there is no relation. That means we are not having any relation between those two terms, but they are giving particular relation. We don't know exact relation between H and L, but they are giving particular relation between L and H. So we don't know the exact answer. That means, so here we are not getting exact answer, but they are giving particularly L and H relation is less than. So that is wrong answer. So here we are getting both are wrong. That means both are wrong means answer is neither one or not two follows. That means both are not follows. Okay, then our second question. Okay, so here our second question also related to same inequalities topic. So in this, so they are giving first conclusion is G greater than M. So here in basic statements we are having two statements are there. Okay, in this question they are giving two different types of statements. We have to find out the relation between G and M. Okay, G and M. Okay, we have to find out the relation between G and M. We need the relation between G and M. Okay, G and M. So in between G and M, so just observe here, in your first statement we are having G, in your second statement we are having M. But simply observe here, in case if you are having in this way question, in this way, in case if they are giving two or more statements are there in your question, then so simply find out which is the common term in the given two statements. Okay, which is the common term? First we have to find out common term. So which is the common term here? So D is common term in both the statements. In both statements, we are having common term is D. Okay. So simply find out D with the G relation and D with M relation. So here D with G relation is equal compared with less than or is equal. Definitely we are taking less than or is equal G. Okay, D less than or is equal G. Then G with, okay, so then D with M relation, D is greater than M. That means D is greater than M. Okay, so then we have to find out M and G relation. So less than compared with less than or is equal, we are taking common symbol, that is less than only. So M is less than G. That means here we are having first term is G. So simply reverse this. Okay, here less than, so reverse that symbol, greater than. So we are getting G greater than M. That means first conclusion is absolutely correct. Okay, and second one, W and F relation, they are giving greater than. Okay, so in the same way, first take D and F relation. So D is equal F. Here D is, so we need a W and F relation. So D and, okay, so here directly we are having W and F in both or in statement 1 only. That means what is the relation between W and F? Less than compared with is equal means less than. So they are giving greater than, that means second one is wrong. So directly your answer is only one follows. Okay, only conclusion 1 is the correct one. Okay, next question number 3. Okay, our next question is related to same inequalities. Okay, so here they are giving first conclusion is F greater than C. Okay, F greater than C. So in between F and C we are having less than, greater than or is equal. Okay, so in case if you are observing these all less than, greater than are opposite symbols, that means there is no relation between F and C. That means we don't know the exact relation between F and C, but they are giving particular relation. That means that is wrong. Next, B and D relation, in between B and D, so D to B, so here we are having D to B relation. Okay, D to B is equal compared with less than or is equal, we are getting less than or is equal. Then less than or is equal compared with less than, we are taking common symbol, that is less than. So D is less than B, but we need first term is B, so simply reverse that symbol, greater than. Okay, B greater than D. That means second conclusion follows. Okay, second conclusion follows. So only two follows. Okay, then coming to our next question. Yes, here we are having here we are having two statements and two conclusions are there. So this question is like our second question. Okay, here also we are giving two statements and two conclusions. Okay, but we need here the relationship between N and F. Okay, N and F. So in first statement we are having F, in second statement we are having N. So we need to find out the relation between N and F. Okay, N and F. So just observe here which term is common in both the statements. So here D is the common term in both the statements. So that means first we have to take the relation between D and F and D to N, then observe the relation between N and F. Okay, so D and F relation is equal, and next D and N relation is greater than. Okay, greater than compared with greater than or is equal, so greater than. So D is greater than N. Then we need the relation between N and F, less than compared with is equal, we are getting less than, so they are giving same. So that means first conclusion is correct. Okay, next G greater than or is equal N. Okay, G greater than or is equal to N. Then simply same. Okay, what is the common term? D. So first find out D to G. Okay, D to G is less than or is equal relation. Okay, then here we need G to N. Okay, so N to D, what is the relation between N to D? D is greater than N. Okay, D is greater than N. So N to G relation is less than compared with less than or is equal, we are getting common symbol is less than. Okay, so then, so here we are having G is first term, N is second term. Okay, so G is first term, N is second term, so G is greater than N. Okay, so Radha Krishna, we are expecting SBI clerk exam notification. Maybe we are having 10 days. Okay, so in next 10 days we are getting notification for SBI clerk. Okay, Yes. So here our answer is, we are getting answer is G is greater than N. Okay. So here they are giving G is greater than or is equal to N. That means that is wrong concept. Okay. So our answer is only one follows. Okay. Next, coming to our next question. Yes, this question also related to inequalities. So here we are having one statement and they are giving two conclusions. Okay, B greater than D. Okay, they are giving B greater than D. Okay, so B greater than D. So in between B and D relation is equal compared with greater than or is equal. That means simply we are taking other than is equal symbol, that is greater than or is equal. That means we are getting relation is B is greater than or is equal D, but they are giving only greater than. That means that is wrong. Okay, we are having chance for greater than and equally is equaled also. Okay, but they are giving only greater than, but we don't know exactly the answer is maybe greater than or is equal, we don't know exactly. Okay, we are getting chance for greater than and is equal, but they are giving only greater than. That's why I'm taking that is wrong. Okay, conclusion one is wrong. Next, F and D. So what is the relation between F and D? So D to F, here we are having relation D to F. So D less than or is equal to E, E less than F. Okay, less than or is equal, compared with less than we are taking less than. So here we need first term is F, second term is D. So simply reverse that symbol, that is greater than. F is greater than D. So second one is correct. That means our answer is only two follows. Okay, only two follows. And next question. Okay, or next question. So here study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. Okay, so we are having some question related to seating arrangement. Okay, so this question is related to seating arrangement. Okay, just observe your question. So 8 persons E, F, G, H, W, X, Y and Z are sitting in two rows but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, then okay, then our question, each member in a row faces the member of another row. Person in row 1 faces north and the persons in row 2 faces south. Okay, so we are having two rows and persons in first row facing, okay, row 1 persons facing north. Okay, that means this is north row. Okay, and row 2 persons facing south. Okay, so this is row 2 and this is row 1. Okay, R1, R2. Okay, then here we are having some more information, that is E sits second to the right of. Okay, 4 persons are sitting in each row. Yes. Okay, we have to take 4 persons in each row. Okay, in each row we are having 4 persons. Okay. Okay, then so E sits second to the right of the persons who faces Y. Okay, so here we are having information is E sits second to the right of the person who faces Y. But so here they are giving information is E sits second to the right of the person who faces Y. Okay, but we don't know Y is in first row or in second row. We don't know exactly. That means we are getting two possibilities to place Y position. Okay, so just observe here, in case Y facing north direction, that means in case Y is sitting in first row, so E sits second to the right of the person who faces Y. Okay, so that means a Y facing person is definitely facing south direction. So here we are having two rows. In second row we are having all are facing south. In first row all are facing north. Okay, so here we are having information is it second to the right of the person who faces Y. In case if Y facing north direction, opposite person facing definitely south. Okay, so is it second to the right of that person, so this direction is like south direction. For south facing person, our right side is left, our left side is right. Okay, so here I'm taking second. Okay, this is right side. Okay, this is our left side generally, but the direction like south direction. For south facing person, right means our left side. Okay, so this is first right, this is second right. That means here we have to take E. Okay, we have to take E here. Then in case if Y facing south direction, if Y facing south direction, then opposite person facing north, that means E sits second to the right of that person. So here first right, second right. Okay, then Y faces the person who is an immediate neighbor of G. Okay, Y faces the person who is an immediate neighbor of G. That means this person is immediate neighbor of G. That means we are getting two chances for G position. So immediate neighbor of this person is G. That means these two places we are getting chance to take a G position in these two places. Okay, so here Y facing the person is immediate neighbor of G. That means here these two places are chance for G, okay, to place the G in these two positions. Then two persons are sitting between H and Z. So here we are having one more information, that is in between H and Z, two persons are there. Okay. Next, X sits diagonally opposite to H. Yes, X sits diagonally opposite to H. That means in case if you are taking in this way, so this position is diagonally opposite to H. So that means X there. Okay. Then X sits diagonally opposite to H. Okay. Then F faces north and is an immediate neighbor of X. Okay. So here information is F faces north direction. Okay, F faces north direction and X is immediate neighbor of F. That means maybe X is to the left side of F or right side of F. We don't know exactly. Okay, so but we are having definitely X is immediate neighbor of F. Then W does not sit next to F. Okay, W is not next to F. That means these two persons are not immediate neighbors. Okay, so these are basic informations related to your question. Okay, so here already we are taking two chances. Okay, we are taking two chances. In these two chances, which one is correct and which one is wrong, we have to find out that. Okay, so simply observe here. So here we are having four chances. Here also we have to take four places. Okay, so in case H and Z, in between H and Z we are having two persons are there. In case if you are taking H and Z, that means two persons. If the condition, definitely we have to use that condition. So here in second row we are not having chance to take H and Z. Why? Because here we are having only these three places are vacant places. By using these places we are not taking that condition. Okay, that's why I'm taking that condition in first row. Okay, so I'm taking H here and Z here. Okay, so H is diagonally opposite to X. That means this position is for X. Okay. So then we are having one more information, that is F facing north. Okay. And X is immediate neighbor of F. So here we are having only one vacant place to place F. But where we are placing X, we are not getting chance to take both the persons here. That means definitely this arrangement is a wrong arrangement. Okay. Then coming to next second one. Okay, so H and Z, in between H and Z we are having two persons. Okay, so that's why I'm taking H here, Z here. Why I'm taking in this way only? In case if I'm taking H here, X is diagonally opposite to H. So here already E is there. That's why you're not getting chance to take X here. So that's why I'm taking simply reverse. Okay, so here our condition is in between H and Z, two persons are there, but they're not given clear information. H is to the left of Z or Z is to the left of H. They're not giving that information. Okay, that's why I'm taking in this way. So H is diagonally opposite to F. Okay, diagonally opposite to X. Okay, so here I'm taking X. So we are having one more information, that is F is facing north and X is immediate neighbor of F. So here I'm taking, okay, here I'm taking F. Okay, F is facing north direction. Okay, all are facing north. Then in remaining second row, all are facing south. So here the remaining person is, we are having person names EFGH. Okay, EFGH. Okay, so G and H. Then WXYZ. So here already we are having XYZ, but W is not there. So I'm taking W here. So we are having one condition related to W, that is W and F are not immediate neighbors. That means W is not next to F. Okay, so here W is not next to F. So definitely the answer is the correct answer. Okay, so how to decide our answer is correct or wrong? So in case if your answer is satisfying all conditions in your question, so definitely that answer is correct. Okay, in case the statement in your question is not satisfied, in case if any one condition is not satisfied in your question for your answer, then definitely that is wrong. Okay, that is the process. So that is the correct answer. Then uh, for that information, they are giving some questions here. Who among the following persons sit immediate left of G? So here G facing north direction, immediate left of G is F. So our answer is F, second option. Okay, then next question. So who among the following person faces W? Okay, so W faces G. Okay, W faces G. That means our answer is G. So that means answer is none of this. Okay. Then coming to our next question. Who among the following person faces the person who sits immediate right of H? Okay. Who among the following person faces the person who sits immediate right of H? Okay. So first we have to find out the person who is immediate right of H. Immediate right of H person is W. W faces G. Then our answer is G. Okay, our answer is G. Then next question. Who among the following person faces the person who sits immediate right of HS? This is completed. Next one. Which of the following is true regarding W? Okay, W related information. Okay, W sits at extreme end. Okay, first we have to take that answer first. Okay, ZYWH. Okay, ZYWH. And in first row, we are having XFGE. XFGE. Okay, so here our question, which among the following is true regarding W? Yes, W related. So by using options, we have to decide which one is correct. So W sits at extreme end. Yeah, no, W is not at extreme end, so wrong. Next, second one, Y sits immediate left of W. So W is facing south direction. Y is immediate right of W. So that is also wrong one. Next, G faces W. Yes, G faces W. So we are getting answer G. Okay, option 3. So here none is true is there, but already we are getting answer. So that is option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, then move to next question. So next question also related to that only basic information only. Four of the following five are alike in a certain way based from a group. Find the one which does not belong to the group. Simply odd one out. Okay, we have to find out which one is different. Okay, so EHXYZ. Okay, they are giving EH XYZ. EHXYZ. So just observe here, E and H are in corner places and X and Z also in corner places. And finally, the remaining person is Y. Okay, that means our answer is Y. Okay, so clear. And next, coming to our next question. Yes, just observe here. So here our question is, which of the following numbers will be obtained if the second digit of the lowest number is subtracted from the first digit of the largest number? Yes. So here second digit of the lowest number. So here lowest number is 178 and in that second digit is 7. That number is, okay, the digit is subtracted from the first digit of the largest number. So here largest number is 987. So in that first digit is 9. Simply subtract 7 from 9. That means we are getting answer is 2. So our answer is 2. Okay. Then coming to next question. Yes. So if in each number the first and last digit are interchanged, then which of the following will be third highest number? Okay. So here we are having one condition, that is first and last digit are interchanged. If first and last digit are interchanged, then which of the following will be third highest number? Okay. So just listen here. So here, in case if you want to decide which number is highest or lowest, but definitely we see on first digit. Okay, in first place we are having which digit. Okay, definitely we have to observe the digit. Okay, so in case if you are interchanging first and third digits, definitely third digit will be placed at first position, right? That means simply observe third digits only. That means after interchanging, definitely third digit will be placed at first position. Okay, third digit will be placed at first position. Okay, based on that, in third digit position, which is the third highest number? So just observe here, in third digit place, third highest number means here we are having 8, here also we are having 8. That means in first two highest numbers we are having 8. Okay, then next we are having 7. That means this is the third highest number. Okay, 987 is the highest number, third highest number. Okay, next question. If in each number the second and first digit are interchanged, then which will be the highest number? Okay, so first and second and first are interchanged, then which will be the highest number? Here also we are using same concept. Okay, if we want to decide which number is highest or lowest, definitely we have to observe first digit in that number. Okay, in case a first digit of that number is highest, definitely that number is the highest number. First digit of that number is lowest, definitely that is lowest. Okay, so here if 1 and 2 are interchanged, definitely second will be placed at first position. That means we have to observe only second digits. In second digit place, which is the highest number? So 5, 8, 3, 7. 6. Okay, which is the highest number? 8. That means our answer is 987. Okay, fourth option 987 is the correct answer. Then okay, then if 1 is subtracted from the first digit of each number and then the first and third digit are interchanged, then which of the following will be the lowest? Okay, so 1 is subtracted. Okay, 1 is subtracted from first digit and then 1 and third are interchanged, and which will be the lowest number? Okay, so simply observe your question. If 1 is subtracted from the first digit, okay, so in case if you are subtracting 1 from first digit and then interchange, first and third digits are interchanged, okay, then first and third are interchanged, then which of the following will be lowest? Okay, we need to find out the lowest. Okay, yes, Divya, correct answer. Okay, so we have to find out lowest. Okay, so in case if you are interchanging first and third, so in case if you are subtracting one or not, definitely the digit will be goes to third place. Okay, the digit will be goes to third place. That means third digit will be placed at first position, right? So we have to observe only third digits. Okay, in third digit place, which number is lowest? Okay, which number is lowest? So 8, 7, 6, 8, 5. That means least one is 5 only. So answer is 765. Okay, answer is 765. And next, coming to our next question. If in each number all the three digits are arranged in descending order, then which of the following will be the lowest number? Okay, which of the following will be the lowest number? So, if in each number all three digits are arranged in descending order, that means descending order means highest number to small number. Okay, highest to small number. That means if in each number we are using descending order format, that means so definitely we have to take in first digit place, we have to take a highest number, right? So in this we are having highest number is 8, in this we are having highest digit is 9, here 6, here we are having 8, here we are having 7. Then our question is, then which of the following will be the lowest? So which number is lowest? 6. That means our answer is 236. Okay, so 236. Then next question. Okay, then our next question. So here our question is 6 persons STUVW and X of different posts. DGP, MD, CEO, JE, PO, and clerk are working in an office. Okay, we are having 6 persons and they are giving positions. Okay, that means job. Okay, different post of those 6 persons. Okay, all the posts given are to be considered in a given order. That means DGP is considered as senior most and clerk is considered as the junior most. Okay, yes. So just observe here. So here we have to take all post, that means positions in order. Okay, they are giving that information. Okay, so simply we have to note down DGP, MD, CEO, JE, and then PO, and next one is clerk. Okay, next one is clerk. Yes, Satish, once again check your answer. Okay, so here we are having 6 persons positions. Okay, post, job post in order. Okay, then we are having information is S is not the PO. Okay, so just observe here, S is not the PO. Okay, S is not the PO. So that's why I'm taking into mark for S. Okay, S is not the PO. Then next one, there are 3 posts between the post of U and X. In between U and X, we are having 3 posts. Okay, 3 members are there in between U and X, but we don't know U is above X or below X. We don't know. That means we are getting 2 chances to place these arrangement. Okay, X3U. Okay, we are getting 2 chances. Okay, then next information, T has lower post than U. Okay, T is lower post than U. Okay, this is also one condition. Then U is not a clerk. Okay, U is not a clerk. Okay, U is not a clerk. Then post of V is higher than T. Okay, post of V is higher than T. Yes, so above T we have to take V and above T we have to take U. Okay, then V is not the CEO. Okay, V is not the CEO. Okay, V is not the CEO. X is not the PO. Okay, so here X is also not PO. Then T is not the CEO and PO. Okay, so T is not PO and not CEO. Okay, T is not CEO and not PO. Then the post of W is neither just higher nor just lower than S. Okay, the post of W is not higher than you. That means just higher than you, not just lower than you. That means not immediate person. That means W is not the immediate person of S. Okay, so just observe here. So our first basic reference condition is in between U and X, three persons are there. Okay, in between U and X, three persons are there. Okay, so in case if you are taking U here, definitely we have to take a three gap between U and X. Okay, in case if you are taking U here, definitely we have to take uh, X here only. But here we are not having chance to take X, right? So in case if you are taking U here, we have to take X here. That's why I'm taking U here. Yes, so I'm taking U here and X here. In between U and X, three persons are there. Okay, then our condition. So V is above T and U is also above T. Okay, U is above T. So that means a T is definitely below U. Okay, below U, we are having three places, but out of three places, two places are not for T. That means EO is not T, PO also not T. That means here we are having one chance to take T. Okay, so here I'm taking T, only one chance to take T. And here T is below V or V is above T. Okay, V is above T. That means above T we are having only two chances are there, here and here. But here we are not having chance to take V, right? So that's why I'm taking V here. Okay, then remaining and any other conditions? Yes, here the remaining two persons are only S and W. Okay, S and W. So here we are not having chance to take S here. That's why I'm taking W here. And finally, we are having one remaining position for remaining person, that is S. Okay, so we are getting order is VUSTWX. Okay, so yes, here our question is who among the following person is PO? Who is PO? W. Okay, W is PO. Then go to next question. Which of the following post is W has? Okay, W has PO. Okay, W has PO. Then our answer is PO. Then go to next question. Yes, how many persons are senior than V? How many persons are senior than V? Okay, so here there is no more persons are there above V. That means no persons are senior to V. Okay, yes. So yes, how many persons are there senior to V? None. Okay, there is zero persons are above V. Okay, that means answer is none. Then our next question. Which of the following pair of combination is true as per the given information? Okay, as per the given information. So V is PO wrong and W is DGP. Okay, W. Okay, just observe your answer. Okay, W is a DGO. No. Okay, W is DGP wrong. Next, S is CEO T clerk. SCEO T clerk. Okay, SCEO. Yes, SCEO is the correct one. Okay. Okay, SCEO is the correct one. So answer is option 3. Okay. Then move to next question. Four of the following five are alike in a certain way based from your group. Find the one which does not belong to the group. That means simply we have to find out the odd one. Okay. So V is CEO. So wrong. And SDGP wrong, UJE wrong, TMD wrong, but X is clerk. Okay, simply observe your answer. Okay, so here we are having X is clerk, right? So remaining four informations are wrong. So our answer is option 5 only. Okay, then move to next question. Yes, here we are having one question related to coding. Okay, one question related to coding. So in a certain code language, many borrow get bad is coded as GK, KL, UH, YG. So in this way, they are giving some information is there. So this question is related to substitutional coding. Okay, we are having three different types of questions are there in coding and decoding. Okay, so this question is related to substitutional coding. Okay, so here our question is, what is the code for many in the given code language? Okay, code for many. Okay, we have to find out many code. So simply observe here. So first we have to find out many is present in which lines. Okay, so yes, sorry. So here we are having many, and in second line also we are having many, but in third line we are not having many. Okay, that means many is present in first and second lines. Okay, in first and second lines common code, we have to find out the common code. So many is the common one in those two lines. Definitely we have to take common code in those two lines. Okay, so GK. Okay, so GK is the common, and UH also common. Only two common codes are there, but we are having only one code. Okay, so any other common words are there? Simply find out that any other common words. Yes, here get also common word. Okay, get also common word. That means one code is related to many, other code is related to get. So, but we have to find out exact code of many. But here many or get, these two words are not present in a third line. That means that is not possible to find out exact code of many. So we are getting two chances for many, GK or UH. Okay, GK or UH. That means in first option we are having GK, in third option we are having UH. Option 4 is either 1 or 3. Yes, option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, option 4 is the correct answer. Then next question. Okay, so the code DSYT. Okay, the code DSYT is stand for which of the following words? Okay, stand for which of the following words? Okay, DSYT. So just observe here DSYT, where we are having DSYT. So here DS and YT. So already we know GK and UH are related to many get. That means the many get. Okay, the remaining two words in that line is two friends. The remaining two codes are related to two friends. That means our answer is friends too. Okay, here for these type of questions order is not necessary, friends. Okay, so too many is the correct answer. Okay, then to next question. So what is the code for bad friends? Okay, so we need a code for bad friends. Okay, so where we are having bad friends. Okay, bad. Okay, bad is present in first line and also in third line, and friends is present in second line and in third line. Okay, so first and third line, what are the common codes in first and third lines? Okay, in first and third line, GK no. Next to KL, yes, KL is the common code, and then UH no. Next YG, yes, YG also common. Okay, that means for bad we are getting chances or KL and YG. Then we have to find out code for friends. Okay, code for friends. In second and third line, what are the common codes? DS no, GK no, UH no, YT yes, YT is the common code. That means we are getting code for friends is YT. That means our answer is, so definitely for friends we are getting code is YT. Okay, code for friends is YT, and code for bad is either or YG, KL or YG. That means definitely we need YT in our option, but in second place we need either KL or YG. So answer chances are YT or YG. Okay, YT or YG. Okay, YTKL or YTYG. Okay, so YTKL, yes, that is present in our first option. YTYG, yes, that is in second option. So here we are having either or case between fourth option. So definitely answer is option 4. Okay, next question. Yes. So how many such numerals are there in the number which will remain at the same position where arranged in descending order from left to right? Okay. So simply take that number. So 9, 8, 3, 6, 2, 4, 2, 4, 3. Okay, in case if you are arranging that number in descending order, okay, that number in descending order, how many numerals are there in same position? Okay, first we have to write down in descending order. So 9, 8, 6. Then we are having 2 fours, two threes and two twos. Okay, so here 9 is in same position, 8 is in same position, and remaining all are change their positions. Okay, that means only two. Okay, only two numerals are exactly matching. Okay, so our answer is 2 only. Okay, only 2. So next question. Okay, yes, here we are having one question related to blood relations. Okay, blood relations. In a five family members, you is the daughter-in-law of A. Okay, you is daughter-in-law of A means definitely. So A's son's wife is you. Okay, son's wife is you. So here I am taking for females minus symbol, for males I am taking plus symbol. Okay, you is daughter-in-law of A, but here we don't know the gender of A, but A is in-law. Okay, in-law of you. Okay, that means you is daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law means definitely a son is husband of you. Okay, so that is the relation. Next, F is the mother of G. Okay, so in this diagram we are not having F and G, so that's why I'm taking separately. F is the mother of G. Okay, F is mother, so female, so that's why I'm taking minus. F is mother of G. Okay, so F is mother, that's why I'm taking before generation. G is child, so that's why I'm taking in next generation. Okay, next G, who is the sister of K? So G is sister. Sister means female, so I'm taking minus. For siblings, I'm using is equal symbol. Okay, G is sister of K. Okay, sister means sibling, so I'm taking is equal symbol. Here we don't know the gender of K. Then K is not a daughter of F. Yes, here these two persons are siblings. F is mother of these two persons, but K is not a daughter of F. That means definitely K is son. Son means male person, so I'm taking plus symbol for K. Okay, then find how F is related to you. Okay, then find how is F related to you. So before solve the question, so first we are having some basic information, that is in a five family members. Okay, in that family we are having only five members. That means definitely we have to combine these two diagrams, right? So we are having chance to combine these two diagrams. The chance is here A is having one son, here F is also having one son. That means in case if you are taking F and A are couples, then A is father, F is mother. So this son name is K, and yes, son name is K, and K sister place. Okay, K sibling position we are having G. Okay, so here we are having five family members are there. So all conditions are satisfied for this arrangement. Okay, so our question is how is F related to you? So F related to you. F son's wife. That means use husband's father. Husband's father means spouse father. Spouse father is, sorry, spouse mother. Okay, I'm sorry, spouse mother. So here we are having female person, so spouse mother is mother-in-law, so our answer is mother-in-law. Okay, then move to our next question. Yes, 8%. Okay, 8% are there. Yes. Yes, 8% are there. So 8% A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H are sitting around a rectangular table in such a way that 4% sit on each of the four corners of the table, and other 4% sit on the middle of the side, each side. Okay, the one who sits at the corner of the table faces opposite to the center of the table, and the one who sits at the middle of the side of the table faces towards the center of the table. Yes, so here they are giving rectangular arrangement. Okay, rectangular arrangement, in that four-person sits at corner and four-person sits at middle position. So the persons who are sits at middle position faces towards the center, and corner persons facing opposite to center. Okay, corner persons facing opposite to center. Yes, so in this arrangement we are having some our main information, that is yes, E. Okay, E sits third to the left of H. There is one person sit between E and C, and B sits right of G. Who sits second to the right of D, and both A and H are facing to each other. Okay, both A and H are facing to each other. Just observe here. So this last statement. Okay, so for seating arrangement questions. Okay, So how to start the question also important. Okay, so in case if you are start your question in order only, so definitely we are taking sometimes we are taking more time to solve those type of questions. Okay, so but first we have to find out in which way we are starting question. That means our question starting point is where. Okay, first we have to find out that. Okay, so here we are having both A and H are facing to each other. Okay, that means both are facing to each other means definitely those persons are sits at middle only, right? So here these persons are facing each other, here these two persons also facing each other, but remaining corner persons facing away to the center. That means that condition is not satisfied for corner position. Okay, corner persons. Okay, so both A and H are facing to each other means definitely those two persons are sitting in middle of that arrangement. Okay, sitting in middle of that arrangement. So I am taking A here and H here. Okay, take these two places also, no problem with that. Okay, then so A and H. So H related, we are having one information that is E sits third to the left of H. Okay, E sits third to the left of H. So this direction is like north direction, right? So third left means this is first left, second left, third left is E. E sits third to the left of H. Then there is one person sit between E and C. Yes, in between E and C, one person is there. That means we are getting two chances to say, take C position. So one position is here and second position is here. Just first I'm taking first position only. So in case if you are getting wrong answer by using that, so simply I'm taking next position. Okay, so first I'm taking here. Okay, then B sits immediate right of G and G who sits second to the right of D. Okay, G who sits second to the right of D. That means G sits second to the right of D. Okay, so in case if you are taking D here, there is no chance to place a G. Okay, in case if you are taking D here, yes, second to the right is there. So here I'm taking D. So here I'm taking G. Okay, G sits second to the right of D. Then before that we are having one more information that is B sits immediate right of G. So immediate right of G is B. So here I'm taking B. Okay. So out of 8 members, already we are taking 7 members position. Okay. Then the remaining person is in remaining position. So who is the remaining person? A, B, C, D. Okay, then okay, so in order only, so E, F. Okay, so already we are having E, so we are not taking F, so that's why I'm taking F in that place. Okay, so just observe here. So how to start the question also very important for seating arrangement questions. Okay, so by using this information we have to solve 5 questions. They are giving 91 to 95 questions are related to this information. Okay, then who among the following person faces to B? Okay, who among the following person faces to B? F. So our answer is F. Okay, then in next question, who among the following persons sits second to the left of D? Okay, second to the left of D. So this is left side of D. So first left, second left. So that person name is C. Okay, sorry, person name is C. Okay, so that means answer is option 1. Then which of the following pair of combination is facing outside from the center? Okay, outside from the center. Yes. So just observe outside person. That means ECGD. Okay, ECGD. Okay. So ECGD. Okay, CH no, EB no, CD yes, CD are there. So answer is option 3. Okay. Then next question, who among the following persons sits second to the right of E? Okay, we need second to the right of E. Okay, second to the right of E. So second to the right of E is C. Okay, simply C. So our answer is C. Okay, then next question. Okay, next question. Four of the following five are alike in a certain way. Yes. So we have to find out the odd one. Okay, E, F, G, F, D. Okay, they are giving E, G, F, C, D. Okay, E, G, F, C, D. Okay, they are giving E, G, E, G, F, C, D. So out of 5 persons, which person is a different person? Okay, E, G, F, C, D. So just observe here. So E, G, C, D, all are at corner positions, but sorry, F. Okay, yes, F is the middle person. That means only F is different person. Remaining 4 persons are at corner positions. Only F is at middle position. So our answer is F. Okay, so clear. F. Okay, then Yes, so here our answer is F, different person. Then coming to our next question. Yes. Okay, so here eight persons are okay, eight persons names are there, and all of were born on January, March, April, June, September, October, November, and December in the same year, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, yes. In case if you are having these type of questions, that means if you are having month related questions are there, so simply take all months in order. Okay, so they are giving January and March, then April, then June and September and October, November, December. Okay, October, November, and then December. Okay, so here I'm taking 8 months. Okay, 8 months. So then our information is all or not necessarily in the same order. Next, G was born before the month June month. There were two persons born between G and D who was born in the month which has 30 days. That means they are giving information related to number of days in the month also. Okay, number of days in the month also. Okay, so number of days. So definitely all of you must have to know about how many days are there in each month. Okay, so in January month we are having 31, March 31, and in April we are having 30, and June 30, and in September also 30, and October 31, and in November 30, and in December 31. Okay, so simply take in this way. Okay, then our condition. So G was born before of the June month. Okay, so G is before June. That means we are getting three chances for G position. Okay, three chances for G position. Then there are two persons born between G and D who was born in the month which has 30 days. Okay, in between G and D, two persons are there, and D month number of days are 30 days. Okay, so in case if you are taking G here, so two gaps, so here we have to take D. Okay, no problem with that. In case if you are taking G here, two gap is there, so here we have to take D, so there is no problem with that also. In case if you are taking G is in April month, so two gaps, so here we have to take D. Okay, that means no chance to take D here. Why? So D is born in the month which has 30 days only. That means here we are not having chance to take G. Okay, that means we are having only two chances to take a G position. Okay, so first I'm taking first position. Okay, first I'm taking first position. Okay, so at a time I'm taking two ways. So here first I'm taking G. So in this okay, to the right side I'm taking G is in second place. Okay, in between G and D only two persons are there. So in between G and D, so 1 2, so here I'm taking D. So here 1 2, here I'm taking D. Okay, then information. Yes, F was born just after the month when B was born. Okay, and just before H. Okay, F was born just after B and just before H. Okay, that means B, F, H are in order only. Just before, just after. That means B, F, H are in order. Okay, then there was one person born between C and A. So in between C and A, only one person is there. Okay, then E was born just after the month when A was born. Okay, E was born just after the month when A was born. Okay, so these are conditions related to our question. Okay, definitely we have to satisfy all these conditions. Okay, for our arrangement. Okay, so just observe here. Definitely we need three immediate positions to place BFH. Okay, three immediate positions to place BFH. Okay, so BFH, so we need three immediate positions. In case first if you are taking this arrangement, so definitely we are using these three places or last three places for BFH. Okay, so in case if you are using last three places BFH, then we are having these places vacant. Okay, so then in case if you are taking C here, okay, in case if you are taking C here, so in between C and A only one person is there, so A, but A is next to A, sorry, E is next to A, but not before. That means here we are not getting chance to take. Okay, so then in case, yes, I'm taking once again. So in case if you are taking G here, so that means a D here, so two. Okay, in case if you are using these three places for BFH, okay, B, F, H. Then we are not having any chance to take C in A position. That means this left side arrangement is surely wrong. Okay. Then to the right side, coming to the right side. So we need three immediate places for B, F, H. Okay. So here we are having three immediate places. I'm taking B, F, H here. Then in between C and A, we need one position. Okay. In between C and A. So I'm taking C here. I'm taking A here. A next person is A. So all conditions are satisfied for that right side arrangement. That means definitely this arrangement is the correct one. Okay. So for this arrangement, we are having five questions. Okay. Who among the following person was born in the month of October? The month of October person name is B. Okay. So our answer is B. Then next question. How many persons were born between A and B? In between A and B, how many persons are there? So in between A and B, only two persons are there. Okay. So our answer is two. Okay, two. Then coming to next question. Which of the following is true as per the given information? Okay, there were three persons born between G and D. Okay, three persons between G and D. No, in between G and D, only two persons are there. Then no one was born after H. After H, no persons. Yes, this is the correct statement. No one was born after H. Okay, that is the correct statement. Okay, next question. Four of the following five are alike in a certain way. Okay, here also we are having odd one out. Okay, yes. Okay, so BHCFG. Okay, BHCFG. Okay, they are giving BH BHCFG. Okay, BHCFG. So observe here B. So B is in month of 31 days, and H also 31 days, and C. So C also 31 days, and next F is in 30 days. Okay, F month is having only 30 days. Next G month is having 31 days. That means a different one. Odd one is F only. Okay, so our answer is F. Okay. So answer is F. Then our last question. Who among the following person was born just before C? So just before C person. Okay, just before C, we are not having any person just before C. Okay, just before C, there is no person. That means our answer is none of this. Okay, so this is a paper explanation of SBI Clerk Prelims. Okay, thank you, friends.